Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. I got this buddy. It's Minecraft, but we're going to do a Hot Wheels track today.
Yeah, when did you get this? Christmas.
Yeah.
From Abuela and Punk.
Yeah, but let's get started.
Yep, it's huge. It took like 10 minutes to set up, put all the stickers on. Everything is so cool, though. And we got 2 cars with it. Do you remember which cars they are? There's one over there.
Yes.
A blue one, show them that one. And then we should have the other one somewhere here. But we have all these extra cars that he's gotten other times. You see the other one? Is it in that pile too somewhere? It's maroon and blue. No, I don't see it actually. Well, we've been playing with it so much, I'm sure they got lost somewhere because on this side, this orange piece, they do shoot off. So we set it up on this side so it can just kind of go by the tree instead of under our TV stand. Oh, there's one under there, isn't there? Yep, under the TV stand. Okay, but this is so cool. It's actually like a crash course Hot Wheels. So the cars are meant to crash in the middle. But we folded these up. We just show you they actually lay down.
Guess what my favorite car is?
Which one?
These are both my favorite cars. So my favorite car on this one, that's my favorite car. And this is my favorite.
Yeah, the one that came with it. Okay.
Let's get started.
Okay, yep, fold down your green piece. Silas is gonna be green, Mommy is gonna be orange.
Okay, what's your car?
Well, should we line them all up or just do one at a time for now?
One at a time.
Okay.
First, I want to pick
R. We say that's for like our last name. Our last name starts with R, so it's our car.
Yeah, but guess what? These are my cars,
Okay.
and this is my car.
All right. I'm gonna use this yellow one if that's okay. This is
Okay.
just gonna be me. Number 7. Let's see if it's lucky.
Okay, you got to pick one more.
Yep. Oh, okay. You pick me one. Ooh, like Rex. We say this is from Rex from Toy Story. This is a really cool car. It's not too great on the track, which is why I see why he picked it for me. Because he's the winner. But this took, I think, 6 D batteries.
Hey,
So
Mommy.
we spent like $15 to get these batteries, huh?
Here's your other
Oh,
car.
another car? I love this one. He picked me a good one. Okay.
You're gonna have
Oh yeah, and see, this one doesn't work. If it has a spoiler like this one, which we actually just got at the dollar store for his stocking stuffer, the spoiler does not work in this very well, so I'm gonna leave this one out.
Wait, there's 2. Wait, there's some more.
Oh, yep, more cars.
Okay, I'm gonna get a metal one.
All right.
And you're gonna have this one.
Okay, I get a nice, cool red one.
And how about this?
This one's heavy, so they should run pretty good.
Guys, whoever's the winner gets. Hey, buddy.
Oh, whoever wins gets a buddy. All right, boys versus girls again, huh? We love these
Boy,
videos.
boy.
Yeah, so we flip the switch. Do you want to flip it?
What team do you think he's going to be on?
Your team.
And he's going to be on my team?
Okay, you want to come flip the switch?
Yes.
Okay, flip the switch so we can get started.
Okay. My first car is R.
Alright, R. I'm gonna start with Rex just to see how he does. You ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Ready and get marked. Set, go.
Oh. Oh, my wheels aren't running. Oh.
We both you. We both you.
We do?
Okay, this time I'm going to try it. Okay, that means that one is bad. That one is bad. Whatever one's good, that one did it. Whoever's the winner of cars is the winner.
Okay. Will you turn it back on?
Yeah.
There we go. My wheels weren't running before, but they look like they are now.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa! Woo! Oh! Oh, the red one's going. It keeps going. Oh!
We both you.
Okay, let's keep it going. Okay, next cars. Oh! Oh, we have to, do you take away my red one so it'll keep going? Oh, and the cat loves to chase this, by the way, so you may see her jump in and out.
That's a good car.
Here, move that one for me so I can get mine going. The one in the middle, look right there. It's going to make yours crash. Oh, thank you.
That one is okay. That one is a good car.
Yeah, it's a good car.
I'm going to
Okay.
get on this.
Oh, mine are all stuck over there.
Mine is a soda too.
Oh. Come on, red one, go faster. This is how we play with our cat now.
Guys, wait.
Throw some catnip on here.
We gotta take these.
Oh, is it stuck? Okay, take them out.
Gotta
I'll grab mine.
take these out. Okay.
Hi, kitty butters.
I only have 2 cars yet.
I know, I started stealing your cars because I was running out.
No, you can't steal
I
them.
had to because all mine were stuck on the other side. Okay. Oh, this one's really cool too. I really like this car. It says 2017 Happy New Year. It's like a bottle. I like think of it as like a bottle rocket. Let's see how that one does. Okay. Got yours? Oh, let's put them in the middle. Share.
Because I got yours.
So I was running out. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Here's a cool Batman car. Okay, I'm gonna try the bottle rocket. Here we go. On your mark.
You go first.
Woo, woo, it's going. Woo, woohoo. Okay, I'm gonna line up a couple of my cars so we all go at once so we can show them how to do that.
Wait. My car got stuck.
Oh, okay.
That one's not a very good one.
That's not a good one.
Yeah, but it is kind of a good one.
Okay, I'm gonna line up 5 cars right here. Oh, unless they all keep falling through. Oh, no. Okay. I guess the little ones need to go first. You ready? Woo! Okay. Let's keep it going. We don't need to stop. Ram yours through or take it out. Oh no! Okay, sit over to your side so they can see the crashes in the middle.
Yeah.
Alright. This is really the coolest thing. Grandpa came over and played it with us for a while. Showing. Maybe it'll help if you maybe raise this up for a little bit so they can just slide under it. If you raise that side up, it'll just make them slide under instead. Okay, ready? Okay, scoot over to your side so they can see the crash in the middle. Scoot over there by your release ramp. Oh. Come on, cars. I'm gonna try this Batman. Oh, crash!
We only have 2 more cars.
Oh, they keep crashing in the middle, Silas. Go ahead, dig them out of the middle. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna try orange. I want it.
Alright, try orange. Okay, scoot over so they can see him crash. Scoot to your side, boy.
I only have 4 cars.
Wow, there goes Rex. Get him.
Mommy, since you're winning, I'm gonna let you have this Minecraft.
You think I'm winning? You're so nice. Thank you. Choo! Okay, let's stop this real quick though. We have one more toy we want to show them. Okay. Alright, this is really cool. Now, he got this from Santa Claus for Christmas, and it's called the Nerf Nitro Moto Fury. It actually shoots foam cars. It is so cool. So, you push these 2 buttons on the back, and it will release where we put the cars in, just like a gun. It shows that you can put 9 in at a time, and it actually shows you how to put them in. So the front needs to be down at the bottom of the car, and the back needs to be up. So when you push them in back, the back should be going in. So when they shoot out, they'll be facing forward. So I already loaded maybe about 6 in there. Just slide it in. This also took batteries. I believe it took 3 or 4 AA's, probably 4. And there's a lock safety button down here on the bottom. You switch it to unlock. And this is the part that you actually need to push down. So you'll lay it on the ground. And when you push down, it'll make the noise. It's ready to go. And you just fire it like a gun. And the cars will shoot out. And it came with these cool ramps. so that you can just shoot them off the ramp. So I'll set that up here, see if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna line it up right with it. You can hear that noise of it powering on. Whoa! Get it, Butters! Our cats love these. Whoa! Me and Grandpa were playing with this. Silas was busy watching his YouTube videos of all his friends he subscribed to. It's empty. So that is really cool. I would totally suggest getting one of these. The cars are foam, so they only work with the foam cars it comes with. It even has like a target to aim. So cool. We will definitely recommend this to everybody. Nerf Nitro, Moto Fury, shoots cars. Okay, everybody. Silas, you want to come tell them goodbye? Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Blue Boy TV. Like, watch, share, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Follow us. Like our photos. Check out our other videos. And we want to keep doing this daily for you. So, bye.